Welcome to video number 1. This is Justin here, and yeah, this is the Willys. At least my Willys. That out there is my YJ Wrangler. It is for sale. This is my S10 Blazer with LS and other stuff. This one here is my dad's MB. He's doing some stuff on that, of course. Anyway, this is round 3, starting today on the Willys. It has a carbureted 305 currently, and the carburetor keeps acting like a carburetor. So it's time to go TBI. And my TBI motor is in a different truck that is outside here. It's an 89 Chevy half-ton Scottsdale. Yep, there she is. Little Miss Ugly, but it works well. Has a crate motor in it, so I'm excited to put that inside the Willys and just kind of see how it goes from there. Got a lot of work to do. It's going to take me a few months to probably get everything done. I've got gauges to put in, I've got wiring to redo, engine to put in, of course. I'm thinking about stretching the suspension wheelbase a little bit. We'll see how that goes. Running out of time. I have to get everything done by September to go to the Rubicon, leading a group of 9, I think, so far. So yeah, I got a little bit of pressure on me to get things done. Got to make sure everything is reliable. So that should be hard for me to do. Anyway, here's a rundown of what's going on. Starting today, it's in 1 piece. Tomorrow it'll be in 16, and then it'll be in 30, and then it'll be in 16 again. But that's not going to be for a couple of months. So anyway, stay tuned. Bye.